guys, welcome back to DaveJohnson.online, and I'm Dave Johnson. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel for some free information, free software, also paid products, and loads of information on my blog here or on my website. There's some free training just here in a webinar teaching you how to make money online, but I've also got another today free training. It's a free, I'll take you to it. It's John Thornhill again, my good friend John Thornhill. This is the page that I'll send you to, and hopefully it'll load up. There we go.
You're going to discover the number one thing you must be doing if you want to be successful online. This applies to every single internet marketer out there without exception. If you are not doing this one thing, I guarantee you will fail online.
Okay, so what is that one big thing? Well, I know it, but do you know it? To continue, click on the link below this video and find out what that one big thing is. Trust me, John knows, and now I know. So I'm telling you, come on guys, let's make money together. It's a good feeling. So while we're at it, if you can't do anything, come back over to my blog. There's loads of information on here. So have a good browse. You don't have to spend anything. There's lots of free stuff on here. I like to do free stuff, and I also like to help everybody make money online together, because we're all one big happy family. So for now guys, take care. I'm signing out. After you've clicked the link to find out what that one big thing is. See ya.